Is it safe to create an instance of a class in its metaclass in Python? How safe is it to create an instance of a class in the metaclass constructors _new_, and _init_? I'm specifically interested for Python 2.7, but what Python 3 does is also welcome. The Python data model docs sound like they're written for the normal class instance creation case, and I'm not really sure how the rules might be subtly different when it's occurring in a metaclass. For example, let's say I have code like this. At which points, if any, is it safe to construct an instance of foo while the metaclass is constructing it, and what sort of caveats are there? One suspicion I have is that, if foo inherited other classes, or was subclassed, and those other classes had their own metaclass, then calling CLS in any of the metaclass methods would be calling it on a not yet finished class object. Is that true?
One suspicion I have is that, if foo inherited other classes, or was subclassed, and those other classes had their own metaclass, then calling CLS in any of the metaclass methods would be calling it on a not yet finished class object. Is that true? That is true, to the extent that in the metaclasses _new_, its _init_ won't have been called yet. Your metaclass has an _init_, as might any subclass, so you should make sure that gets called first. So I wouldn't try to make an instance of a class that hasn't been fully instantiated yet. One thing you might do is manually call the metaclasses _init_ from within _new_. But you would have to set a flag or something an _init_ to make sure that the class doesn't get _init_ twice. There might be a more clever way too that I'm not thinking of at the moment.